Yes, bete, as you can see, this is your chapter number 11, The Old Brown Horse. It's a poem and it is for grade 6th. You need to open your page number 90 for this, New Esther. Okay, so now let's start and do the poem in detail, stanza wise. Now, this poem actually, The Old Brown Horse, talks about the horse which is brown in color and is old now. If I have to summarize this poem in 2 or 3 lines, so that you're going to have a hint, idea that what the poet want to say, right? Here we are having a horse who is old and is brown in color and is sad because he is now old, is not being given importance. No people, no passerby sees him, right? Nobody is paying importance to him. But in earlier days, he was given importance. So, now we are going to read this all in detail stanza wise. Let's start. Let's read the stanza first. Page number 91. The old brown horse looks over the fence in a weary sort of way. Fence, you know very well what is fence. This is fence. You can see the picture. This is fence, boundary. Here it is of wood. This is fencing, right? So, the old brown horse over the fence looks over the fence in a weary sort of way. Weary means very tired, very lethargic, lazy. He seems to be saying to all who pass, well, folks, I've had my day. I simply watching the world go by, and nobody seems to mind as they are dashing past in the motor cars. Horse is lame and half blind. In the first stanza, bete, the poet talks about the old brown horse. Means he is very tired, right? He is very tired, and what he is doing? He is seeing the people, the passerby, right? And seeing those passers-by, he addresses to them, saying that yes, there was a time when he was given importance. I have had my day. I'm simply watching the world go by. Means he is now busy in watching the people who are going, just passing by. Nobody seems to mind. Means nobody is giving him importance. And the dashing past in their motor cars, the horse is lame and half blind. वैसे lame क्या होता बेटे? To lame we say crippled, You can say that लंगड़ा जिसे हम बोलते हैं. यहाँ पे horse को क्यों कहा गया है half blind और lame? Because he is of no use now, है ना? देखिए बेटे यहाँ पे इन्होंने कहा है इस stanza में फर्स्ट में कि जो passers by हैं वो अब motor cars यूज करते हैं, ठीक है ना? They are using motor cars. Just remember the past time when horses were used as means of transport, right? So this brown horse was also used by his master. But now the time has been changed. He's become old. He's useless for his master now. So he is sad for this. So it's all about your first stanza. Okay. Now let's do the second stanza. The old brown horse has a shaggy coat. But once he was young and trim, and he used to trot through the woods and lanes with the man who was fond of him. But his master rides in a motor car and it makes him feel quite sad. And he thinks of the days that used to be and all times they had. In this second stanza, beta, I have told you that now shaggy means dirty. Okay, shaggy means very dirty. The old brown horse has a shaggy coat. Coat किसे कहा गया? The body. The body of the horse is to be called as coat over here. Means the old brown horse is now dirty. Why? Because nobody is taking care of him. The master is not looking after him. So he says that, but there was a time when he was looked after by his master. He was trimmed properly. His mane was cut properly, right? And he used to trot through the woods and lanes. Trot means galloping, going, running. That means trot. Trot means, you can say run, the way the horse gallop. He remembers that how he used to go along with his master. Woods means forest. वो forest में जाता था, streets में जाता था, गलियों में जाता था. Understand? with his master, who was fond of him. Fond means like. But his master rides in a motor car. Now, because of the change of time, his master also possess a motor car. Right? So now he is of no use. Means who is of no use? The brown horse, who is old now. This makes him so sad, right? When he thinks of the days that he used to be, of all times they had. Means obviously his master and the old brown horse has a beautiful past that make him he is now sad, but that past was very happy. So it was all about your second stanza. The next two stanzas will be done in the next video.